My boys!
And girls and the whole wide world. Yeah, that was new.
Today we are going to Nuno's little paradise.
And we went there last year in May, and it was one of the best videos we've ever made, mainly because of Nuno.
Rosemary sacred herb. It's wonderful for your lungs. Oh, wonderful.
I can't wait to show you, but first we have to go grocery shop because we have to cook in paradise.
Ooh, are you looking at me, boy? You looking at me? Hallelujah. Amelia, what is this? A ticket.
€4.40.
What?
Ridiculous.
How is that even worth? We'll just give it to Madeira rent, then they can take care of it.
Let's do this.
We are very close to giving Nuno a big hug, and I've missed that little Portuguese volcano troll. that's a compliment, Nuno. Nuno!
Nice car you got! How
Nuno!
are you? Yay!
So good to see
Nice
you.
to see you too. You're bolder.
Yeah.
No hair.
It's luck. It's lucky.
Is it?
Yeah. Wow. Looks so nice and graceful as always.
Thank you.
This is literally the stairways to heaven.
First, we get rid of things. And off he goes. Lovely. Oh, the other day, I just felt like this. I jumped to the other side because it was like, it was like whoa! It was amazing. It was a James Bond film.
Look at the Mindion, that grows a bit better than it does at our house. The things are really growing here. It's amazing. These, like, I'm so sad I can't. If I could only grow these in Lisbon.
Well, you probably you have to do the right time. Yeah.
All these cliffs going everywhere.
Okay, welcome to your mango
Oh my god, it's so cute here. Wow. Look at this, Jon.
Wow. If you look at up there, you'll see an avocado tree, and still with some avocados.
Oh, I can see it. Yeah.
That belongs to the property. It's a new area that we're clearing.
Cool, but isn't it too hot to grow avocados here?
No, it's really nice. Like, you see, you need
Well,
to go. You know, the thing about is I need to go and get them, or else next year the tree is not gonna give me. You need to accept.
Yeah.
It's like a giving, you accept. It's like gratitude. So, and then it will provide you even more.
It fulfills your need.
Yes, because if you don't get it, the tree itself will think, you don't need it, I'm not gonna give. Hello. Okay.
Shake it up.
Shake it up, you know. Please don't throw coins into it, or else it will get stuck into the pipe or wherever.
Because people actually throw coins into it, though.
Yeah, I have found. Sometimes I find, some pocket money, Cool. How cool is that? I was like, thank you very much. Buddha be praised, It's actually a nice moon tonight.
Is it?
It's a crescent moon. And then you see Venus, so so aligned. It's a really good moon to make babies. Lavender, it's nice for you at night when you feel like I want to sleep like a baby. And then you go to that over there and you grab a bit of rosemary. And then you say, I want to remember my dream. So I like to sleep like a baby, says Lavender. And then Rosemary says, lucid dreaming. And then you get a lemon.
How much?
You put the full lemon under your pillow, and you sleep.
Really?
So in the morning you get the lemon and you throw to any place you go. You're here for a reason, a really good reason. But you could be there. And then the perspective, you could change your life itself by just moving one place to another. If you put aside the time itself and give more importance to the here and now, to the here, to the place, then you realize how contemplation comes towards you. It's like enlightenment.
Yeah.
You are more real. Woo! Da, re, mi, fa, sol, la.
Yeah.
So I la the pitch,
Yes.
and then I use woo. So when you find the tone and you use the sound woo, that is the sound that preceded before it came before the words. When you realize that, it's really amazing. So you can use with your meditation, you can use whenever, and you can communicate actually around nature. So use it, use your beautiful voice. And every time you use it, you awaken your pineal gland. And then you live longer. I talk a lot, honestly, because
that.
I don't know why. Because I always felt like, as you are, a good storytellers, I think everybody's here for a reason. How cool is that? A story from Grandpa that makes you go to sleep so nice and dream. And I think it's something about it. That's why we need somebody to share with, you know?
Nuno, are you gonna make a sangria for us later?
Yeah, later on. Yes, of course. Yeah,
I
love
missed
sangria.
that.
The wine from Angie.
I think this place right here is my favorite spot on planet Earth.
Yeah.
Honestly, no 5-star hotel beats this tranquility that just penetrates your body.
Penetrates your body.
It
That
penetrates your body. Well,
doesn't sound as romantic as it is.
it's penetration in a good way. You know what I'm talking
Oh,
about.
God. I'm sure you guys are dying to see what's inside here. So let's just show you.
It doesn't
Can't
get
find the handle.
any cuter than this.
Come on. Ta-da. Clearly, this is not going to be a long house tour, but look at this.
I have never stayed a more cozy place than this.
This is unique.
This is the mango yurt of Canto das Fontes. Last time we were here, we stayed in their teepee.
This is where we're gonna stay.
Where you just sleep, but here you can actually hang out. One thing I don't like about this place is that I've knocked my head into the door over there
Yeah.
3 times.
I've done it once, but then I learned, Johan. That's the difference. Like you noticed once, and then you don't do it twice.
Yeah, Einstein.
It's so simple, and yet it's so extra. I don't understand how they did that.
Amelia, tell the story about this place because it's quite interesting.
It's actually a quite cute story because Roberto, who owns this Airbnb land, he actually once got the land only to spend time here with his family and friends during the weekends.
Down in the main area.
Yeah, at the little house where we enter. Because the land was so wild and lush, he decided to put goats on the land just to try to get through all the vegetation there is
See
here.
what was here and get rid of all the vegetation.
All of a sudden they started planting new plants and fruit trees and banana palms.
And they thought it was a shame just to use this big land for getting drunk there. So they decided to make a mango yurt and a teepee and...
A little paradise for us guests to visit.
Yeah, so foreigners can come here as well. And now we're here and honestly...
We are so blessed.
Thank God for that. Through this door, the midget door, there's more.
There's more through the door. How pretty! There's a kitchen, of course. You have the stoves, you have everything to boil water or whatever you feel like. There's a fridge.
No one knows how old these are. They could be 500 years, they could be a couple of 100 years, or they could be 50. No one knows. But I'm guessing they're from 1492.
Well, then they were definitely here early, the people.
Columbus.
Also, guys, there's a shower here. And it's like half indoor, half outdoor. You have your shower and your rain shower.
This is just like Bali.
It's so Bali, but no, we don't have to travel 9 hours there. More.
Even though this is our second time here, I am just as infatuated by this piece of land here. It is truly, truly special. Oh my god, I mean, Amelia, are you seeing what I'm seeing?
Let's go to the common area and see if Nuno is up for making one of his amazing sangrias, because we need it, as you can see, very much. So every time this spreads, there's gonna be a new glaze, or what you call it, of bananas. So underneath here,
Oh really? So all these, are they tiny bananas?
yeah, they're gonna become bananas at some point.
Really?
Guys, the sangria has to wait for tomorrow because Nuno is busy putting up a tipi, and I find that to be a pretty good excuse for not making sangria.
Good thing we are
Here for another day?
yeah, and just enjoying the sunset. And it's right across because we are here in January, and last year it was May, and it was all the way over there.
Almost behind the mountain.
Yeah.
Right now we have it in front of us. It's amazing.
Oh my god, Amadi, I have to hurry to film this. Maya,
Yes.
are you gonna be the chef just like last time,
Yes.
but
Well,
without the bus?
I'm gonna try not to make the special version. I'm just gonna try and make a normal bolo di caco this time.
Last
No
time-
flipping on the lawn.
Last time we had bulucaco a la grass. Amelia!
Good thing it's organic here, because then we could actually eat it.
Never have I felt more appropriate with my wardrobe, Amelia.
No, you look very much like you're going into the wild.
There's no words to describe this.
Yeah, paradise.
Are we utilizing our kitchen already?
Yes, we are. I wouldn't say. Oh, sorry. I wouldn't say already. I mean, it is dinner time, isn't it? I'm making bolo de caco, and I am also making steak and salad. It's gonna be delicioso, I hope. Bolo de caco. Being in the nature doesn't mean that you have to eat boring food at all.
If you don't know what glamping is, it's glamorous camping.
Which this definitely is. I wouldn't even call this camping. It's way too good for being camping.
Well, Amelia, I'm dying of hunger, and tell me something about this bolo de caco, because
Yeah, so we have had a lot of bolo de caco and we have been talking about it, but then lately when we were out with Mario from e-bikes, he actually told us that the real bolo de caco is this size and not the size that's the bolo de caco you get on the restaurants.
it's made in a completely different way, and it takes a lot more time to make it. But we bought this in a supermarket, so I doubt it's made exactly how it's supposed to. But
This one was 3 times as expensive as the normal bolo de caco.
Really?
Mhm.
Okay, well, but it tastes amazing.
And also, the chef made a really good choice putting a lot of butter and garlic in this.
But Amelia,
Yes.
I think it's time for some quality time together.
You think? I would appreciate that. It is bedtime, guys. We are so tired.
And so privileged.
Happy.
Oh my god, I can't get my arms down.
I can't get my arms up after the crash.
You're still struggling with your bicycle crash.
Yeah. But I don't care. I feel so blessed right now. I'm really happy. I'm
Yeah.
so happy.
Guys, see you tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
We're not done yet. There's
See you
more.
tomorrow.
We need that sangria.